Alright, now we're going to be looking at how we can apply range to a couple of different scenarios. And so we have two data sets here. We have Ari and we have Nova, and this is the soccer goals that they've scored over 8 games. So the first question here is asking us, A, calculate Ari's range. So Ari has the data set 3, 1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, now all we need for the range is to find the largest value and take away the smallest value. So the largest value here is 4 and the smallest value here is 0. So Ari's range of Ari is going to be equal to 4 minus 0, which is just equal to 4. Now we calculate Nova's range. So Nova has the data set 0, 2, 1, 5, 0, 3, 2, and 1. So the range of Nova is going to be equal to the highest data set, which is value, which is going to be 5. Take away the lowest value, which is going to be 0. Which is just equal to 5. So when we look at whose range is larger, it's going to be Nova. Nova has the larger range. And then finally D, based on range only, who is more consistent? Well, Ari is going to be more consistent. Ari has a lower range of values that he can possibly get. And Nova has a much larger range. So there's a definite situation here where Ari is probably scoring more consistently but with smaller values, and Nova has some average scoring or some scoring which is very low or 0 and one high value in between that. Alright, let's look at another one really quickly. So this one we have weekly quiz scores out of 10, and we have data sets for Kai and Remy. Now, if we look at first calculating Kai's range, well, Kai has the data set 8, 7, 9, 6, 8, 9, 7, and 8. So his range for Kai is going to be equal to the largest value minus the smallest value, which is 9 minus 6. And then we have Remy. Remy's range. Remy's range. We don't know what that is just yet, because we're going to write out that data set, which is going to be 10, 5, 7, 9, 6, 8, 5, and 10. So the largest value for Remy is going to be a 10, and the smallest value he has is going to be a 5. So the range is going to be 10 minus 5, which is just equal to 5. And we look at C, which range is greater? The range that is greater is going to be Remy. And finally D, on range alone, who shows a more consistent performance? Well, that's going to be Kai. Kai has a lower range between his highest and his lowest score, which means he is more consistent overall. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.